Hi class, let's take a look at division. And in division, we're going to use long division for these problems. So let me actually rewrite it, and then technically we're dividing 9 by 2. So the process is simple. You're looking for a number that multiplies times 2 and it's close to 9 and it's not going to exceed 9. So in this case, you could use 4. 4 times 2 is equal to 8, and then you carry a subtraction. So 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. This is what we call our remainder. So the answer for this one, you can actually write it as 4 remainder of 1, or technically 4 and 1/2, as we will call it in a later section. Both of those are perfectly fine. So let me carry on the second one. And in this case, this is going to be 11, 128. And I'm just going to go to the first two values. So you're going to look at 1. 11 times 1 is equal to 11. Then carry the subtraction. 12 minus 11 is equal to 1. And then at this point, we drop the 8. And then we repeat the process. How many times does 11 fit into 18? Well, just 1. And that's going to be 11. 11 times 1 is 11. So 18 minus 11 is equal to 7. So this will be our remainder. So in this particular problem, we're going to rewrite it as 11 remainder of 7, or technically 11, and then 7 11ths. So there we go. Both of these ways are perfectly fine. And once again, if you have a different way of doing the actual division, that's perfectly fine. We are interested on for you to show work on any of these problems.